Open the application library and select EHS Academy. Once the application is launched, follow the instructions and remember the displayed code. Remove the headset and continue the process on your computer. In your browser, enter the address www.skisive.com and log in. In the Sign In by Code panel, enter the previously mentioned code and click the Continue button. If the headsets you are using have already been added to the system, you can select them from the list on the left. If they have not been added before, enter their details in the fields in the Create New Device section. You can assign a custom name to the newly created headset, assign a serial number, or assign a color for easier identification of the device. After entering the details, you can click the Create Device button, which will take you to the Summary panel. If everything is correct, confirm by clicking the Authorize button. You can put the headset back on and continue the process by clicking the Next button and click the Download All button